अर्श हक है मसनद रिफ़अत रसूलुल्लाह की, देखने है हश्र में इज़्ज़त रसूलुल्लाह की। अर्श हक है मसनद रिफ़अत रसूलुल्लाह की, देखने है हश्र में इज़्ज़त रसूलुल्लाह की।
Subhanallah, Subhanallah. Dear viewers and listeners of Madani Channel, Arsh haq hai, Masnad Rif'at Rasoolullah ki. What is the actual meaning of this? So there are certain words I would like to translate for them. The first word that we should understand is Masnad. What's the meaning of Masnad? Allahu Akbar. Masnad means takiya or betne ki jagah. It means a pillow or the place where a person sits. Thereafter, Rif'at means balandi. It means height, status. Subhanallah. And Hashr means Qiyamat. Izzat means respect. Maqam means place. It also could mean status. Now, Allah radiallahu ta'ala had written this couplet, and the translation of it is this: the throne of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the exalted seat of Allah Azza wa Jal's apostle. Allahu Akbar. That maqam, that place of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He had blessed His beloved Habib sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam to this extent that that maqam and that place, meaning the throne of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is the exalted seat for the beloved of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is our beloved Nabi sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. Ab dekhni hai hashr mein Izzat Rasulullah ki. If you want to know how is that possible, then Allah Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu says, upon resurrection, when we die, when we leave this world, we wish to behold the esteem of Allah's apostle. You would then see the martaba, you would see the sanctity, you would see the shan and shawqat of our beloved Nabi sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. Arsh haq hai, Masnad Rif'at Rasoolullah ki, are dekhni hai hashr mein Izzat Rasoolullah ki.
Arsh haq hai, Masnad Rif'at Rasoolullah ki, dekhni hai hashr mein Izzat Rasoolullah ki. Arsh haq hai, Masnad Rif'at Rasoolullah की, देखनी है हश्र में इज़्ज़त रसूलुल्लाह की। अर्श हक़ है, मसनद रिफ़अत रसूलुल्लाह की। अर्श हक़ है, मसनद रिफ़अत रसूलुल्लाह की, देखने है हश्र में, हाँ देखने है हश्र में इज़्ज़त रसूलुल्लाह की, देखने है हश्र में इज़्ज़त रसूलुल्लाह की।